Alright, today's video, van update to all 5 subscribers still subscribed because you're hoping for van content. When I look at my analytics, most of my subscribers subscribe to this channel because of the van stuff. It's still here, it's never going anywhere, hopefully, but right now it's having transmission issues, and I'll show you guys that in a second, but I intend on fixing it. I'm hoping it's a clogged transmission filter, something simple. My last 2 videos about this was an update on the paint and passing California smog. So the fact that it passes California smog tells me that it has a healthy engine. It passed with flying colors. Like, I thought I would borderline pass, but it passed easily. So healthy engine. Got to figure out the transmission issue. But here it is. My rug here. Look at all this space. Vans are the greatest vehicle ever. Yeah, sports cars and performance cars are really cool, but nothing's cooler than a van. You could be a Big Joe chair. You could be 8 feet tall and sleep in a van. Look at all that room. Nice. People either live in Toyota Priuses now or Honda Elements. I've seen that on YouTube in the recommended feed. I think because I do van videos, I see that in my feed. But yeah, you could set up solar in those little vehicles. But yeah, you're not going to get this much room in a Honda Element or a Prius. You got all kinds of space in a van. So here's my TV, Retron HD. Let's just turn it on. Same solar setup from 4 years ago. Same marine battery. Right there. Still green on the light. So yeah, that battery lasted a really long time. So there it is. Let's go back here. My table set up right there. Table leg goes in there. So there it is. Still around. It's not going anywhere. I've always had goals to go out on adventures. I still do. Yeah, it's one of those things that got put in the back burner. But yeah, a lot of millennials are living in their vehicles now or seeking a life of adventure now in a van or a minivan, or some like to downgrade and go like Honda Element or Toyota Prius. But you got to roll with the van if you want to adventure or live in one of these things down by the river. Okay, I'm going to fire it up and show you guys the problem it's having right now. Fires up nice and quick. 165,787 miles on this. Alright, here's the problem. When I put this in reverse, watch, it doesn't move. Foot off the gas, it's not moving. If I give it a little gas, oh, it didn't even move. Come on. There you go. So it moved a little bit, so let me put it in drive. Alright, same thing. Foot off the gas. It's not moving. If I give it a little gas, it didn't move. A little more. There you go. So yeah, there's a big delay. Like it won't creep back or creep forward when I take my foot off the gas and brake. If I give it a little gas, it'll start moving. When I got it smogged, I'll leave links to the smog video and the paint video. Those are the 2 last videos I made about this in 2018. Now I made the video about the rug too. But yeah, that's the last time it ran really well. When I took it to get smogged, it ran perfectly. Then the next time I tried to drive it, I was getting that issue. So, hopefully it's something easy. Hopefully it's just it needs a transmission filter change and a fluid change, and it'll be fine. I intend on fixing it. I want to daily drive this. Well, not daily drive. I want to drive it 2 or 3 days a week. Keep the miles off my A-Barth. I don't trust my Chrysler Fiat product. It only has like 38,000 miles, but I don't see that car hitting more than 100,000. I think that car's on a limited life since it's a Chrysler Fiat product, but this Econoline, 168, I think it'll last forever. You just, it's 1992. You need to give it a little TLC. If I have to put some money into the transmission, that's fine. This is my main YouTube vehicle right here, so it's not going anywhere, and I modded it to the way I wanted it to look. I like it a lot. Always liked vans since I was a kid, and I have a van, so I have a childhood vehicle that I wanted, and I always intended to go out on desert adventures with this, go to Salton Sea. Very sentimental towards it because I did go on desert adventures with it with my dogs. Both are now passed away, but that's a fond memory I have in my heart. So it's not going anywhere. So to the 5 van people, van subscribers who stuck around, here it is, still here. So here's your update video. I always listen to suggestions. So to the one who asked about, 2 people asked about my van actually. So to the 2 people, I might only have 2 van fans left. So to the 2 people who wanted to see this van, here it is.
Good job. Good job, buddy. Yeah, it's gonna be hard for them to come home. When you take them out to like a cool ass spot like this, they don't want to go home. So he's just exploring a little bit. Okay, this guy got enough exercise for like freaking a week. Got a lot of exercise today, buddy. You gonna take a nap for like 5 hours now? Okay, have fun. Come on, drink water, bud. This guy hasn't really moved. He's just laying there. That's a good life right there. Just sleep. You don't have to go to work. No bills. Just lay there and sleep all day. Alright, this guy finally got out of the car. Want to move around a little, buddy? Good job. This guy moved around a lot today. Sun's gonna come down here in the next 30 or 40 minutes, so I'm gonna head out of here in about 10 minutes. Let them move around just a little more. Especially since this guy's moving around a little bit. He needs the exercise. I hope he sticks around for at least 2 more years. He's about 12, like I said. So I'm trying to, cherish the time I do have with this guy. So I'm making the most out of every day. Hopefully this guy's around for 6, 7 more years. He's about 7 or 8. I think he's turning 8 this year actually. So he's getting up there in age, but he still moves around really good. So that's a good sign. He's going up and down all these little hills here, so that's good. There you go. You're taking a snack break. Is it good, man? Put this guy up here so that this guy won't steal his bone. He likes to steal food from this guy right here. Okay, this is going to be the fun part. My tires are pretty muddy right now because it's still pretty muddy from the rain, so let's see if I get stuck. Skinny ass 235 tires. So let's see if I spend the night out here. Okay, let's see if I get stuck. Alright, I'm moving. That's a good sign. Alright, the key is keep moving, don't stop. So let's go ahead and keep the speed at 10 miles per hour. So far so good. There's a part I'm worried about. Alright, we're good. Alright. Looks like I'm not spending the night out. Kitty, come on. Let's go. Come on. Kitty. Let's go. Kitty, come on. What's wrong?